Hi, I'm Sneha and today I'm here to share my thoughts about starting a YouTube channel while painting this little sparrow. I had recorded this in the early 2023 but somehow didn't post. But today I'm posting this as this is also a part of my growing journey of watercolors. My art has evolved. My watercolor painting skills have improved. I started this channel 2 years back, and when I look back at my first video, it makes me smile to see the improvement, gives motivation to learn and unlearn things, and keep walking on the journey of the progress. So I started a YouTube channel for 3 reasons. First, starting a YouTube channel is easy and free. Second, this is a convenient way to upload the recordings and maintain a video journal of your progress path. And third, video editing, framing, photography always has fascinated me, and I thought through this platform I will be able to learn something new. That is, to create some good aesthetic videos. So, starting a YouTube channel is really easy. You just need an email ID and you're good to go. Watercolors have always been my most favorite medium to paint, and an idea of keeping a video journal sounded fun and exciting. I used to watch a lot of videos of art, watercolor painting of other artists on YouTube, Skillshare, and the thought of having my own journey recorded always motivated me to do some research of how to record oneself while painting, editing, video software, and so much more. My first video was of me painting a turtle. A simple video, no voiceover. I had just learned few video editing tools, so I had put some text around to tell the audience what colors I am using and so on. I thoroughly enjoyed painting and recording it. I uploaded it with 0 subscribers, no reach and impressions. But I was happy. Slowly, that video started getting noticed, and I saw that its views were increasing. Fun part, during that time, I didn't even know that views and watch time are two different things for this platform. As of today, my first video has got around 41 views. My second video was of painting a stingray. It was a simple video where I was showing how watercolors beautifully blend with each other on paper with lots of water. It had a very poor lighting. Some angles were not good, but it got more views than the first video. So more happiness. Today, I have 90 videos on my channel and around 220 subscribers. Also, I am aware of the difference between views and watch time. Uploading process of the videos, writing description for the videos, and also my editing skills have improved. But more important than all of this is my painting skills. When I look back at my older videos, I can notice a gradual and slow improvement in my painting methods. I still record using my mobile phone, and editing videos, background music, voiceover are now part of my YouTube videos. Slowly, this video journal of mine has started to get small amount of attention. I get nice comments on my videos, people appreciate my art, and most importantly, people subscribe so that they can come back again to watch my new videos. This is such a good feeling. I thank all of them from bottom of my heart for appreciating my art. This gives me motivation too. My channel is not monetized yet, and it will take some time too. After all, earning money from your art is also necessary. But since this will take time, I am not worrying about it. My primary goal is to improve my art and skills and strive to post good content. Because good content will connect me to some wonderful people with whom I can learn something or can inspire them with my art. Ultimately, having a vibrant art community. So, these were my thoughts which I wanted to share with you all. I see a lot of inspiring videos here, and I hope that my art will also similarly inspire someone to paint and start working on the artistic journey.